We shift focus to Australia, where now global recession is a possibility around the world and it's much closer in Australia than expected. Well, that's a warning signal coming from some of the biggest firms in the country. This as dust settles on a mixed earnings season in Australia. And one key takeaway has emerged that things are only going to get worse. A study says about 41% of 158 companies on the benchmark S&P ASX 200 index that reported half-year results last month posted negative earnings surprises. Well, that's up from 28% last year. It points to declining of macro conditions and threat of recession that is growing every passing day. The cracks are now beginning to form in Australia's economy, with data last week showing a surprisingly sluggish end to 2022. This as economists boosted the probability of a recession. Still, government officials have expressed confidence that nation will dodge a downturn. World's largest miner, BHP Group of Australia, said mounting energy and labour costs, they have crimped its results, while Commonwealth Bank of Australia has set aside more capital cushions as consumers feel the pinch from price pressures. Now, shares of nation's biggest lender are down 4.7% this year. They have underperformed benchmark index 3.5% rise. Food producers were also hurt by higher expenses. Domino's Pizza, for example, has plummeted the most on record after the chain operator's earnings dropped. Customers are spurning price increases. Companies are also still waiting for any demand for China's reopening to show up in orders, but still it's not coming. Falling prices and supply concerns, they have clouded metal sector's outlook of Australia as well. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.